So the first thing you'll notice when you walk in the front door is that it's a beautiful, bright layout with master bedroom on the main floor, and then you've got 2 good-sized bedrooms with a loft upstairs, so perfect for your teenage space.
My skin like a bad burn.
One of the biggest highlights is the view from the back deck. It's a big covered back deck, so great for barbecuing year-round. And then the backyard is set up for very low maintenance, perfect for if you have pets.
Like a bad burn. For this feeling I live when you're close. I called this evening. I think that you already know. The shadow on the ceiling, hanging on the door, still hanging on a feet.
So as you can see, it's a beautiful house and we would love to show it to you. Reach out to us today, info@hardyteam.ca, or if you're just curious about the value of your home in today's market, again, reach out to us and we'll look forward to talking to you soon.
Feel the weight and I want you under my skin like a bad burn. Head rush, I fall to the floor, our hands touch, I can't